Have you ever considered the price you pay for a pound of red meat? How about a gallon of milk? I'm not talking about the supermarket price, I'm talking about the cost to the environment. Animal agriculture contributes a considerable amount to global greenhouse gas emissions, at nearly 18% of all anthropogenic emissions. Cows produce about 150 billion gallons of methane per day, nearly matching the amount released from natural gas production. Methane is much more destructive than carbon dioxide and has 86 times the warming potential. Animal agriculture is also responsible for about half of all nitrous oxide emissions. Nitrous oxide has a warming potential roughly 300 times larger than that of carbon dioxide and stays in the atmosphere for almost 150 years. In addition to greenhouse gas emissions, animal agriculture uses large volumes of water, consuming 34 to 76 trillion gallons of water annually, more than that of hydraulic fracking. Nearly 55% of water consumed in the US is for animal agriculture. For reference, about 5% is consumed by private homes. One of the biggest downsides to animal agriculture is the sheer amount of land it requires. Let's compare land needs between three major diets. 1/6 of an acre is required to feed one vegan for 1 year. A vegetarian diet uses roughly 3 times this, and meat eaters require 18 times as much land. This is because an acre and a half can produce 37,000 pounds of plant-based food, but only 375 pounds of beef. Today, livestock covers nearly 45% of Earth's total land. Deforestation is occurring rapidly to keep up with this demand. The clearing of forest has led to one of the largest mass extinctions known to man. Because of habitat destruction, up to 137 species of plants, animals, and insects are lost every day. Besides the glaring environmental issues, animal agriculture has placed a large strain on today's society. We currently produce enough food to feed 10 billion people, and yet 50% of all grain is fed to livestock. In 82% of countries with starving children, food is fed to animals which are then killed and eaten in Western countries. In addition, meat and dairy has been linked to some major health conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and even various cancers. While going vegan or vegetarian isn't feasible for everyone, just 1 day of plant-based eating has huge benefits for our environment. By eating vegan for just 1 day, you can save 1,100 gallons of water, 45 pounds of grain, 30 square feet of forested land, and 20 pounds of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions.